Let's make an epoxy river table mold in under 60 seconds. Let's go. To get started, I ripped my pieces to size out of some melamine board. To keep the epoxy from sticking, I wrapped all of my pieces in some Tyvek tape. I then drilled some pocket holes in my pieces. I'll use some pocket hole screws to tie everything together. And to finish it off, I applied some black silicone caulking all around the perimeter of the mold to make sure the epoxy doesn't leak out. And that's it. This mold is now ready for epoxy. Follow along for more.